Welcome back to Armin's Tech World. This is the new Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI. Let's quickly see what this machine can do. The laptop comes in Obsidian Black with a clean, premium look. It has a strong metal body, a smooth RGB keyboard, and large vents for cooling. Overall, a solid and modern gaming design. The 16-inch OLED display is the highlight. 2.5K resolution. 240 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and motion is incredibly smooth. Perfect for gaming, editing, and movies. At the heart, you get the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX. 24 cores. Boosts up to 5.4 GHz. Great for editing, AI tasks, multitasking, and heavy workloads. The GPU is the RTX 5070 12GB GDDR7. With DLSS and frame generation, it delivers high FPS in modern games. AAA titles run smoothly at 1440p. Esports games can reach 200 to 300 FPS easily. Acer uses dual AeroBlade fans and liquid metal cooling. Temperatures stay controlled, and performance remains stable during long gaming sessions. You get 32GB DDR5 RAM and a fast 1TB PCIe Gen4 SSD. There is also an extra M.2 slot for future upgrades. Battery life is good for daily tasks. Expect around 4 to 6 hours of normal use. For gaming or editing, it's best to stay plugged in. The laptop comes with USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and more. Plenty of ports for monitors, accessories, and creators. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI is a powerful, future-ready laptop. Amazing OLED display. Strong Ultra 9 processor. Next-gen RTX 5070 graphics. If you want fast gaming and smooth content creation, this laptop is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.